What's the meaning of countryside? Countryside. Countryside.
Countryside. Countryside. Countryside refers to an area of land that is located outside of cities and towns and is typically characterized by its natural scenery, agricultural activities, and slower pace of life. It can include farmland, forests, rivers, and small villages. The countryside is typically associated with a simpler way of life, pastoral beauty, and a closer connection to nature. People often visit the countryside to escape the hustle and bustle of urban areas and to relax, enjoy outdoor activities, and experience the peace and quiet of rural areas.